In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called display and brightness. Then scroll all the way down to click on refresh rate and tap on any of those, default or custom. If you decided to select custom, click on refresh rate below it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. If you decided to go with the highest one possible, you will see this option called apps using high refresh rate. After tapping on it, you can pick any app you want and either tap on blue switcher next to it to disable refresh rate to it, or scroll down to click on gray switchers in order to allow it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!